Click on the link below to get price. The Allpower 2000W Portable Inverter Generator is designed to offer a blend of efficiency and convenience, particularly for those who seek a reliable power source in various outdoor settings or during emergencies. This compact generator stands out within its category due to its quiet operation and a range of thoughtful features aimed at enhancing user experience. At a glance, the Allpower generator is powered by gasoline and boasts a maximum output of 2000 watts, making it suitable for powering essential devices such as lights, small appliances, and electronic equipment. This generator's inverter technology ensures that the power it produces is stable and safe for sensitive electronics, which can be particularly beneficial for those who rely on gadgets like laptops and smartphones. One of the notable features of this model is its quiet operation, which allows it to function with minimal noise compared to traditional generators. This is particularly advantageous for outdoor activities like camping or tailgating, where noise levels can impact the overall experience. In addition to its quiet functionality, the generator is equipped with a CO sensor, which automatically shuts down the generator when it detects unsafe levels of carbon monoxide. This adds an important layer of safety, especially when using the generator in enclosed or semi-enclosed spaces. The Eco Mode feature is another commendable aspect of this generator. This mode optimizes fuel consumption by adjusting the engine speed according to the load, promoting efficiency and extending run times on a single tank of gas. Users may find this aspect especially useful during prolonged usage, as it can lead to less frequent refueling and reduced operational costs. Setting up and using the Allpower 2000W Portable Inverter Generator is relatively straightforward. With its lightweight design and integrated handle, transporting the unit to various locations is manageable. The control panel includes multiple outlets, enabling users to connect different devices easily. In conclusion, the Allpower 2000W Portable Inverter Generator combines quiet operation with essential safety features, making it a practical choice for individuals seeking dependable power solutions. Its portability, fuel efficiency, and user-friendly design contribute to its appeal, whether for recreational use or as a backup power source. As with any generator, potential users should consider their specific needs and scenarios to ensure that this model aligns with their power requirements.